Exercise 1.3 Our weather. In this exercise, you will make a weather diary. Look outside at the weather. Fill in this weather diary for 5 days. Use these symbols: cloudy, rainy, sunny, snowy, and stormy. There is a table given and the table has two columns. The first column is day and the second column has the weather. Day Sunday. On Sunday the weather was cloudy. On Monday it was rainy. Tuesday it was sunny. Wednesday it was sunny and Thursday also it was sunny. So now the question is, what type of weather did you see the most? Can you answer this question? The answer is sunny. Words to learn. Snowy. S-N-O-W-Y. Snowy. S-N-O-W-Y. Snowy. Thunder. 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 Sunny. 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 Cloudy. 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 Rainy. 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 Rainy.